Well, we got a little time this afternoon. We're going to try to link up with Turbo Steve down by the Ross dock. Take a little ride up and down the Hudson. This is his little private area since he lives up that way. Maybe we'll have a great ride today. Any ride you get in the middle of the winter is great. Every minute you can spend on that saddle is better than being on a lazy boy. Change it and charge it. Well, I guess we'll find out tomorrow.
They recommend that. So if you don't
do
that, it never gets a full charge.
You're supposed to charge it before you put it in the bike, huh?
Yeah.
You got a new battery for the FZR today. While Steve was at the house too. Still looks good, baby. Still looks good. Boy, what a night. This turned out to be a nicer day than I really thought it would be. Holy crow.
I got the aluminum dust, the white dust.
Oh, you got the powder, yeah.
Unless that's salt from the road.
Ah, you can polish that up. Come over to my house, I'll polish it for you. One low price. One low price.
I had it polished.
This'll I know this'll polish up
in
nice.
The garage.
I know you're into this patina thing.
That's got the coating on it too.
I'd take that right off. I'll grind that off faster than you can order a pizza pie. Amazing little lighthouse there under the GW bridge. You don't realize how big that bridge is until you're standing here looking at it. It's a big bridge. I had no idea it was going to turn out to be this nice of a day. This morning it was cold. It was really cold. Not right now, it's beautiful. So actually we wound up this ride not far from Bob Navola's house. A little tricky parking here. You're on quite an angle. Turbo Steve and I looked like Mutt and Jeff trying to get these bikes where they wouldn't tip over. Nice day. What a day. But it's supposed to snow before the day's over. We had a really nice ride with Turbo Steve and his classic Suzuki Turbo. Really nice bike. Had a nice ride, and we beat the snow. It's supposed to snow an hour from now. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed sharing our ride, sharing our turbo ride. And thanks for watching.